The Camino de Santiago, a network of ancient pilgrim routes. Thousands trek across Spain. The destination, the shrine of St. James the Great. This journey is about more than just walking. It's about self-discovery and connection. You'll meet people from all walks of life. The Camino will challenge you, but it will also reward you. The Camino throws curveballs. Heavy rain can be a real pain. Pack a good raincoat and waterproof your gear. Trust me, dry socks are a godsend. Blisters are another common enemy. Invest in moisture-wicking socks. Break in your boots before you go, and don't forget blister plasters. Carry less, enjoy more. Pack only essentials. Food, water, a first aid kit. Leave behind unnecessary luxuries. Your back will thank you. Think layers when it comes to clothing. A lightweight fleece and a waterproof shell jacket are key. Choose quick-drying fabrics. Your shoes, your best friends on the Camino. Choose comfortable, broken-in hiking boots. Make sure they provide good ankle support. Trekking poles are lifesavers, especially for your knees. They reduce impact and improve balance. Use them on uphill and downhill sections.